guys, here we are for race day, competition. The shit horse is gonna try and win a race. Good luck, eh? But we've got the 275 pros on, and we can get the ET down. The mile an hour is there. Serious mode, guys. Now, if that wasn't close to a 650, fuck yes! That's how it's supposed to work. I was gonna shift early to second, but I didn't, and it held it. Fuck yeah! Well, looks like we're gonna have some fun today, boys. I tried to cut the tree down there too. We'll see how good I did. I played the staging reaction time app on my phone for like 20 minutes while the other classes were running, so fuck yes, motherfucker! Alright, so pass one, we drew chips, and I'm gonna be racing a silver Camaro, or Corvette. It's right over there, actually. It's a C6, probably has bolt-ons. I don't think it has forced induction. It might, though. I did some more tuning. I sprinkled in another degree of timing. It was a little rich under wide open throttle, so I took just a hair of fuel out, put the two-step up to 2300 RPM, and hopefully it does good. I mean, if it runs a 670 and I hit the tree good, or even a 680, then it should be pretty good. We beat one Corvette yesterday, so we'll see what we can do. By the way, it's super windy here today. You'll have to convert it to miles, but it's 60 gusting to 90 km/h winds. So let's see actually on the speedo. That's like 60 mph winds. Side wind, crosswind, yeah. I can literally feel the car being like jostled as if Clayton's gut is bumping in. This should be a close race no matter what. Hopefully we can get it. It feels like this cam is way bigger than it is shaking the car, but it's way. This is gonna be really fun though. I guarantee that. Because it's two steps active. Not fuck this up, sir. Oh, I left the ball. I got on the two-step and it pushed the car forward through the beams, and it red lit. I had the guy covered by maybe like 3 or 4 car lengths. I shouldn't have fucked around with a two-step. It was good on 1900. I even tried it in the pits and it felt a little too much, so I turned it down to 2100 in the staging lane. But little 200 RPM was too much, I guess. So sorry guys. It's disappointing to me and you, because this car is a fucking ringer. I mean, shit. Time slip probably won't even be good from that pass too, because I pushed the beams. Motherfucker. Alright, you know, it's a team car, so I feel bad. Especially because of that son of a fucking bitch. Alright, I sat here for 5 minutes silent, and it really, it's my fault. Like, you know, I can say the rear drum brakes are shitty and won't hold, and the brakes in general are shitty, but I probably didn't like pump them up enough and like really fucking stand on them as hard as I could have there, maybe just because I was a little excited and in the moment. So we'll kind of chalk it up to that. We can make test hits the rest of the day. I really want to see Rob and Clayton in the car, actually, now that it's running good. Clayton's never made a pass in the thing, and Rob has a couple times when it was only on 8 PSI at the other track in Manitoba Gimli. So maybe they'll make some hits, maybe I'll make a hit, maybe I'll just get really wasted right now and watch racing the rest of the day. It sucks to beat yourself, and especially because I didn't need that advantage. I had that Corvette covered, especially in the top end. I pulled on them hard. Thanks for supporting the channel and watching the videos, guys. Oh, by the way, so many people have like come up to us here, and because I'm like, you know, I'm not type A personality, so if I'm a little quiet, just don't feel judged or anything. I'm glad all you guys watch. It's a little strange having people know who you are when you don't know at all who they are. But I guess, well, I am glad about that, so I'm fine.
Good one. Fuck. Careful, Rob. Fuck.
Yeah, I can smell the gas.
There's she gonna go now. Oh, a tire on there? Not yet. Lot of smoke.
So the plan was to come here and kind of like unrace the shit horse, get the race fuel out of it, and
It's darker.
yeah, but now it's too dark. It's just, we're just gonna have a bonfire, I think. I don't know.
I took it for dinner tonight.
Yeah?
Fucking fast.
Yeah, see? I told you. So, well, we're going racing with the car again, so you guys have that to look forward to.
Yeah.
We're gonna try capture the elusive 10-second time slip.
Quarter mile?
Yeah,
Quarter mile.
all out.
13:20.
Let that rear wheel wiggle around.
I'll have to change the rear gears. Tubular K member going in this winter.
Yeah, there'll be a couple of things going on.
Wait,
if you guys
front end.
want to learn more about the car, there's a playlist, Shit Horse.
Shit horse.
Everyone knows the Shit Horse.
Everyone
yeah.
knows it.
Until next time, I guess.
Check it out.
Sorry for letting you guys down and not winning the competition like a good YouTuber.
round.
Sorry I can't be Cletus.
First round.
A duck.
Whack. I lost the first round once. Nah, just kidding.
Well, you were the red light bandit. Now I'm the red light bandit, apparently. So.
All right. Check you later.
goddamn son of a bitch!